Let's now explore the concept of string concatenation. To start, let's clear the code editor to work with the clean path. By string concatenation, we mean combining or joining multiple strings together to create a single, longer string. It's like linking words or sentences to form a cohesive message that conveys meaning. In that, you can join strings by using the plus operator. Just like math addition, it brings strings together. For example, we can have a string which has a variable name, first name, and has been assigned the value John. And as you might have guessed right, we can have another one with the variable name, last name, and has been assigned the value Doe. We can create a new variable to help us join these two together. And so our new variable will have the variable name, full name, and then assign it to the first name, and then we use the plus operator followed by the last name. Doing so, the full name variable will now hold John Doe, but of course they have been joined together, and so you can remodify it to give space in between them. Let's do it this way rather. This may feel verbose for you, especially when you have multiple variables and you want to join their values together. In that case, you can use string interpolation. String interpolation is like filling in blanks within a sentence. You can embed variables or expressions directly within a string using dollar followed by opening and closing curly braces. Let's demonstrate this in an example below. We create an integer variable with the name age and assign it the value 10. We will create another variable and then we will give it the name message. Now in this new variable we've created, we will interpolate the age variable in it, and so it will be something like this. And so in the end, the message variable now contains I am 10 years old. You can use string interpolation to build longer strings. Just imagine you have a smaller strings and you want to make a bigger message. You can keep adding more parts to build a complete sentence or message. For instance, you can create a greeting variable and assign it to the value hello. You can then create another variable and assign it to the value Kobicypher. We can build a longer strings from these two strings by doing it this way. So now, if you should print out greeting, it will hold hello Kobicypher. Let's give some space here. You can use the concept behind string concatenation to combine words or phrases. Let's say you have a list of words. You can join them together using the join method. Let's use an example to demonstrate this. In this example, our first variable contains a string of words. And then we have created another variable which will help us combine these words together. And so we use the first variable name and then we will call the join method on it. After doing this, the second variable will now contain all the words in the first variable. Sometimes you might need a message that spans multiple lines. That allows using triple quotes to make multi-line strings. Let's use an example to demonstrate this. Our multi-line variable now holds a multi-line message. String concatenation is a creative way to combine strings in Dart. It is a handy way for creating messages, displaying text, or building content dynamically in your programs. See you in our next lesson.